Right, if you've been watching the channel recently, you'll know that I've been playing with some bigger toys, and some of my smaller ones have been left on the side for now. But now's the time to start on this twin cylinder Dole. It's a lovely machine, and it's a lot of work involved in this one because look, just complete rust, absolute rust. No paint left on it. Terrible, really, how it got into this position. But mechanically, she's fine. So I'm not going to do a video where I record every single thing I do, but I will just say in this video what the next stage is. So everything's coming off. It's all coming off the base. The boiler will be detached from the tank. The engine pipes and everything will be taken. So we'll probably start on the base and the boiler house, firebox. I'm going to see if I can find, and this will probably be part of an ongoing restoration. I'll see if I can find someone locally who can rechrome this, because there's no, well, very little, plating left on it. And I'll have to just do a Google and see if there's any local companies. But if I do that, then I might send some more parts off. But yeah, so for today, I'm going to get myself a couple of nice little containers for all the little screws. And I'm just going to dismantle it, just to take everything off. So that I've got the base and the firebox. They're the easiest parts to tackle. And give the biggest, get the biggest part of the work out of the way. Then this will need to be dismantled, degreased. This is just running grease, running oil. And then I'll try and see if I can find someone who can do a bit of chroming for me. I've got to do one little bit of machining, nothing much, but there's an end cap missing now. So what I'll probably do is just get a bit of aluminium and just turn up what looks like that for this end, because it's got a plastic cap on there at the moment. I'm not sure how it's going to go, because that don't look quite right. This lip, that lip there, this one hasn't got one. So I might have to make up a bit of tin or something, but yeah, we'll see what that is when we get it off. But yeah, so that's the plan. It's only a short video, but yeah, so today's strip down day, put everything in little pots day, and get some big parts prepared. This will probably go in the there's nothing left, no paint left on it, so this will probably go in the blast cabinet, and quite possibly that go in the blast cabinet as well. And we'll just start again with these. I know what they're like. It was just black with some sort of orange stripes, and I think I've got some stripe. I've got some paints over there, some enamels. So I like the enamels. So yeah, so that's where we are today. So it's only a sort of a few minute video. Oh yeah, strip down, put everything in little boxes, and then start on the preparation. So watch this space. The next time you see it, there will be some improvements. All right, cheers guys.